Welcome to the Utah State Railroad Museum. I'm Shane with ScaleTrains.com. We're here today to present another check to the Utah State Railroad Museum, this time for $5,000. That brings our total donation for both turbines and their preservation to $39,000. And as you can see from behind me, it really does make a difference. The A unit on number 26 has been repainted, and if you look further down the locomotive, you'll notice the B unit is in a tent right now, as well as the tender, and they're being repainted as well. We're so thankful for our customers and all of your purchases from us, because without those, preservation like this does not happen for now and future generations.
We're very excited to work with Scale Trains and other groups who've partnered with us to restore this engine and give it the necessary love and protection that it deserves. So it's really important because Utah is part of that national narrative of kind of uniting the United States together. And that only happened about 60 miles northwest of where we're currently standing. So, and then they became and looked for a junction point, and Ogden became that junction point, that kind of that crossroads of the Intermountain West. And so this building and the museum and the narrative that we're telling here is integral to kind of that national story and how it impacted us locally. And basically because of the railroad, how we were able to have that national and international impact on the world.
So as you know, we offer the Big Blow turbine in two versions, a rivet counter version and a museum quality version. Each one is road number specific, so they have a ton of detail. It's going to have the correct fuel tank, it's going to have the horn moved back, it's going to have the new louvers by the grills in the back, and a lot of unique details throughout the life of the locomotives, and that's going to happen on both the rivet counter model and the museum quality model. What sets the museum quality model apart are things like the sound, the lighting, and the animation. For instance, as the locomotive goes through a curve, you'll hear that curve squeal sound. As it goes across a frog in a switch, you'll hear that frog clank sound. And then when we talk about animations, if you look down inside the turbine exhaust in the B unit, you'll actually see that the turbine fan blade is spinning. Think about for a moment you're starting your day as the engineer. You climb up in the cab, it's dark in the morning, so the first thing you do is you flip on the dome light. Well, the dome light comes on. Well, now you can see what you're doing, so the next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna turn on the instrument panel. The instrument panel lights come on. Now you can start the locomotive. You'll hear the prime mover come up in the A unit. You'll hear all the auxiliary sounds come up. And then of course you can turn on your class lights, which you can cycle between red, white, green, and off. And then of course you'll turn your headlight on, the lights then come off on the locomotive, and you're ready to start your day. Another unique feature on the museum quality is on the engineer side, you actually have a ground light. And if you don't know, what happens is if you're in a locomotive, sometimes it's really hard to tell if you're moving. So you shine this light down on the ballast and you can actually see then that the locomotive is moving forward or in reverse. We actually attach the tender change to the tender. We don't attach them to the truck themselves because that limits the turning radius. That's something that you can do as a modeler if you have really wide radiuses. And the other awesome thing about the museum quality model is the box. You know, it's kind of like presenting jewelry to your wife, you know, when you open that box and it's so beautiful. We have a leather-like box, you open it up, the manual's on top, and of course the turbine is safely stored inside, and it's really a box that makes it a keepsake. So if you missed out on the first run of the number 26 and the number 18 museum turbines in the museum quality line, you have another opportunity. Both of those are available for sale right now at our website, ScaleTrains.com, and at select retailers.